Here's a great deal on a 2010 Kia Rio. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 40,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include front bucket seats, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and much more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and side curtain airbags provide rollover protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.